Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add white border effect on Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Capcut and then add the photo or the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the video effect. And then at the menu you can swipe until you can see party, this one, so you just click on it, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see party. Sorry, this is a white border, so you just click on it. Okay, in here you just click on the check icon at the top. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed, for the horizontal shift, and then for the vertical shift. Okay, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add white border effect on Capcut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.